Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I definitely want to finish these leftovers, and this is actually another experiment because I'm going to use leftovers and even the paint I have scraped from the table from my last pours, so a lot of things mixed together, the different pouring mediums, so Floetrol, fiss'Up, and the Decoart metallics paint. So I am going to use different paint for my base coat, so not just the paint mixed with fiss'Up or with Floetrol. I think I will mix all together, so this would be interesting. Okay, this is a second chance canvas. This was a paddle pour and I don't like it, so I am going to pour over it. So the paint I am working with is Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet with Max Meyer fiss'Up and with Floetrol. This is two different cups. This is the mix with the Max Meyer fiss'Up scraped from the table, and this is with Floetrol only scraped from the table. This is a Decoart Metallics in silver with a touch of Liquitex Basics Gold, Decoart Extreme Sheen in 24 karat gold. The consistency that I am working with is, I don't know if you can see it, I show it from here. And okay, Decoart Extreme Sheen in amethyst and Decoart Extreme Sheen in pink tourmaline with some Amsterdam reflex pink. Okay, I didn't prepare new cups of colors. I just want to use the leftovers because I have a lot of leftovers and I don't want to see them anymore. Okay, let's start to prepare the cup first. So what I am going to do is to pour with Floetrol. So this is just paint with Floetrol. All the paint is mixed 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol or Max Meyer fiss'Up, and then water until reach this consistency here. And so this is for the cup. Okay, so I think I'm going to use the Max Meyer fiss'Up for my base coat, and I know that this is not enough, so I am going to add also some of the leftovers scraped from the table. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. Okay, this is the one with Max Meyer. Yes. So these two cups have metallics in, so the paint that I am going to pour will react the best only with this. With these two others, I don't think so. Okay, so cup with Floetrol, and let's put some amethyst. permapite, some pink tourmaline, some gold, 24 karat gold, and some of this another kind of gold. I want this more. Maybe a little bit more of the amethyst. I don't know if this is enough, but I want to make a mess. Okay, ready. Let's pour. Well guys, this is just 20 minutes later or less, and I love what happened here. I think it's still reacting, but I need to show you from closer right now. Okay, so we have a lot of different shapes and patterns and I don't know how to say, but I'm happy to have added the this light gold, because it gives some light to the painting. The last one was too dark to me. Anyway, look at the 24 karat gold. I just love it. And you know, I love this color, and I love it next to the purple. Wow. I don't know you, but I'm so happy with these different patterns in the painting, because all cells it would be boring, but like this is crazy. Also the tourmaline pink is perfect this time. So let's go to the interesting part. Look at this. Wow. Different colors in the cells is super cool to me. Also this part in here is very beautiful, because it's like a, I don't know, but it reminds me a cloud and something maybe in the sea, underwater world. It's amazing. And this, guys, is the Extreme Sheen Decoart paint. Look at the shimmer. Wow. I just love this. Well, guys, I hope you like it as much as I do. Thank you for being here. If you haven't done yet, please subscribe to my channel to see more of these experiments. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.